Hi, I'm Nikki of New Cali. Living in Houston, it's so humid and I have yet to find anything that works against the humidity for my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna use Dream Coat. So I've seen this product everywhere. I saw it on the Today Show. I have a girlfriend that loves it. Well, more than one girlfriend that loves it. It's got anti-humidity proofing powers, which is exactly what I need for my hair, especially since I live in like one of the most humid places in the United States. So I'm getting ready to try it. After I get out of the shower, I fully saturate my hair with Dream Coat. The great thing about this product is that you can use a ton of it and you'll never feel it on your hair. And then that's all I have to do. I just pull my blow dryer out and take it section by section. After my blowout, sometimes I like to add a little wave with my curling iron. Oh my God, you guys, I can't believe it. I just tried it and all the hype is totally true. My hair is super shiny and it's very, very, very soft. So with a lot of other products I use, I really have to sacrifice like the movement. And with Dream Coat, it feels like there's nothing in my hair. I love it. It feels very weightless, like there's no product. I went outside and took some pictures and I still got my wave, I've still got my bounce, there's no frizz, and everything is perfect. Okay, so now you know the secret to achieving my shiny hair. So for more tips and tricks, make sure that you follow along with me at New Cali and Color Wow at Color Wow Hair. Bye.